Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing both devices, speaker charged and in pairing mode, mic ready. On your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth and pick the speaker name. Wait until it says connected. Once done, lower playback volume to 30% so you avoid sudden loud pops. Make sure the microphone is either wired into the speaker's mic input or paired separately if it's wireless. Plug in auxiliary cable only if Bluetooth audio will be unreliable. You're now ready to route audio. Next, we set sources and app behavior. Now route sound. Select your karaoke app or music player and confirm it outputs via the paired Bluetooth speaker. On your device, push volume to about 2/3, then adjust the speaker's master to a comfortable listening level. If the speaker has mic input or Bluetooth mic pairing, enable mic gain and any reverb or echo. These give vocals presence. Test with a short vocal line and a song chorus. Listen for latency. Make small trims to app audio delay settings if your device allows. Once balanced, move to final sync and finish by doing a complete sound check. Sing through verses and choruses while someone monitors the mix. You want vocals clear over the track. If you hear a lag of more than 1/10 to 2/10 of a second, switch to a wired mic or engage any low-latency Bluetooth mode. Make sure the speaker and device are within line of sight and away from Wi-Fi routers to reduce dropouts. If audio stutters, restart Bluetooth on both devices and repair. This fixes most connection glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.